Okay, here are two 10-week-old kittens, and they are ready to go. The one on the left is called Angel, and she is a tortoiseshell cat. I think you can see pretty well that she's orange and black. And then her brother over here, who is Six Pack, is a solid black kitten, and he has extra toes, so that's why she called him Six Pack. You can see I think you can see his feet, that they're quite large, but little Angel there has regular sized feet, but she's very nicely marked. In fact, the orange is showing up very nicely on her, so she's thinking she's going to jump off. Stay up there, baby. We want to take your picture. These kittens were born to a stray that was very friendly, and they've been raised in a foster home, and they're doing very well. They just need a home of their own right now. They had two other siblings, and they have been adopted already. So this is Six Pack here on the right, and this is Angel on the left, playing with the not business end of a fly swatter. And this is being taped on October 15th. And these kittens are 10 weeks old right now. Please adopt them.